protested inside Parliament against the insensitive and cruel remarks made by the BJP leaders inside the budget discussion yesterday with respect to the caste census. We know that the caste census is a very emotional issue, and many people in India from SC, ST, OBC want this caste census. But their demand was mocked by the BJP yesterday. They were insulted by the BJP inside the parliament. And it is unfortunate that later in the evening, the Prime Minister shared that speech, praising that speech. The Prime Minister praised the speech which insulted the Dalit, the OBC and the Adivasi. And we are here fighting for their right, fighting for the caste census, and that is why we protested.